Hi. I have a 2008 Baja 196cc mini bike for sale. I want $450 for it. It's in mint shape. Well, probably better than mint because I have lots of custom stuff on it. I want to show you my bike now. I have chrome trim around the fenders, front and back. I have chrome trim around the tank, all the way around. And this here is not the real tank. This one here down here is. It's down by the motor, but it has chrome trim all the way around it too. The exhaust. It is completely automatic. There's no gears. It's got one brake, the back brake. There's no front brake. It's got custom leather tassels on the brake lever. And they got custom Harley-Davidson stickers on both sides of the tank. And have, I'm not sure you can see because of the sun glare, but this is a windshield. It's a mini bike. It's made for grown-ups, but it fits kids very good. And I'm just going to walk around of it. It's got a pull cord start. It's got the choke here. On or off there. On there. Gas. It's off right now. Pull it over there. It's on. Now I'm going to start it up. And that's what it sounds like. When you give it gas, it sounds like a Harley. It snaps and sounds like a Harley. So the kill switch right here. The kill switch turns it off. There is no key ignition, so. And yeah, start, you don't need the keys, and no losing keys or anything. And yeah, it's got nice wide tires, so it gauge really good balance. It's got a pretty big seat, so anybody can drive it, no matter what size it is, what size they are. The back view. And that's about it. That's my bike. If you're interested in my bike, call me at 752-2839 or email me I'll put a tag to my email address so you can email me, and that's it. Thanks. Bye.